Hey, it's Ben. I just set up this curtain. Company sent this to me to make a video for, so let's take a look at setup and talk about what we think. I just want to talk about a little bit about how it was to assemble this. It really wasn't too difficult at all. So these side poles are they're metal and they twist together, so they're threaded, and there's many different sections going that allows you to have different um, heights. So I had pieces left over because of our ceiling. So this will go well beyond 8 feet, which is what our ceilings are. The top, there is this an adjustable section, and at the very top, that's spring loaded up there. So it's kind of like if you've ever used a tension bar. So this will get nice and tight without being super tight and putting too much pressure on your ceiling. And then the feet have this nice rubber end to them, so it's not going to damage your walls. There's a clip here. This clip can be adjusted and placed in different places and then tightened with this screw. Right now I have it just resting in on top of here, but it doesn't have to sit in this narrow part of the pipe. And then this just has a hook where the crossbar fits onto. The crossbar is the same kind of piping as this, where it's just pieces twisted together. And I had pieces left over for this as well. The top are rings. You can actually twist these apart and fit them in because they will not fit over this end, the stopper at the end. But the rings go on, and then the hooks are preset in the curtain, and they just hook in to the rings. And this just opens and closes freely. As you can see, my pole is not high up enough. If I went all the way up to the ceiling, I probably would not have too much dragging on the ground. But the setup was good. It wasn't hard at all. Probably took 10 to 15 minutes altogether. It does come with some magnets, which is a mechanism for fastening the edges of the curtain to the posts or to a wall. So you can have it tight and fastened down so where it's just not flopping and hanging freely. This is just a nice invention, really. So this would be easy to take down and move to another space. I could see this easily being a permanent setup. It's modular, it's flexible. The curtain is not necessarily thick. It's definitely opaque, so it's not gonna let light through, but it's not gonna do much as in the way of insulation or sound dampening. It'll do a little bit, but it's not like super thick. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.